Okay, we're going for a short ride today. Not really sure where we're gonna go, but let's go. Okay, I guess there's one thing the maps don't show you: current construction when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see if they have it closed up here. I was checking out the map. Looks like this place goes up by the stick marsh. We'll find out. We're still a ways away from the stick marsh. I'm hoping this is a back way into it. Got a gate down there. Gates open here. A voyage to the unknown. A lot of old equipment. Big equipment. We've been getting a ton of rain. It's like a pumping station. Quite possibly part of the stick marsh. Let's keep going, find out. Looks like farm fields over there. Looks like a dead end there. Guess we only have one choice. Boy, sure is a lot of dragonflies. Not totally sure what we're getting into here. Got some big equipment sitting around. I have a feeling we're in private property. There's irrigation over here. Somebody's barn's over here. In the distance up there, looks like another barn. Looks like we're ending. What's that? No, just out for a ride. How do I get to the stick marsh? Can I get through over here?
Well, take ground back there. You can no access. Go back out that way, path off or down.
Gotta go back all the way? Alright, man. Yeah, I had a feeling. Okay, so we got kicked out of that place. Let's keep trying.
Life is a winding road.
Well, never take the easy path.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I
Some pretty big lily pads.
ever figure out.
Those are going to be some nice white flowers.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
And as always, we got the Africa Twin here, the 2022 Honda CRF 1100L.
Even if the sky is falling down.